So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD second year in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about advantages of MBBS in Philippines. ठीक है, मतलब सब अच्छाई वाली बात करेंगे, नो बुराइयाँ. ठीक है, बुराइयाँ को रखते हैं अगले वीडियो में. So this video is going to be about advantages of MBBS in Philippines and the next video will be about disadvantages of MBBS in Philippines. ठीक है, तो पहले advantages देख लो, अगले वीडियो में disadvantages देख लेना. So I think it's clear for you all. So starting with the advantages, so the first benefit is obviously going to be advantage is language. Okay, here the language is going to be English, like in other countries, like it can be Ukraine, Russia, anywhere. Okay, the thing is there the language differs. You need to learn Russian because you have to communicate with the patients while you are in internship or clerkship, because the patients are going to be local patients and they understand only Russian. Okay, but in Philippines you'll have mostly the patients know, like all the people here know English, and English is going to be the primary language and you don't need to learn any other language. मतलब आपको कोई और language नहीं सीखना, it's only and only English. So it is obviously a major benefit and it is one of the factors that decides the student to go for MBBS in Philippines. Okay, so I think English speaking countries is obviously a better option than other countries. Like in Russia also, the main study is done in English, but you have to learn other languages like Russian, because without Russian you won't be able to do anything in internship, because the patients you need to communicate with them and that you have to do in Russian. Okay, and then coming to the second point, that is obviously the FMG passing ratio. The FMG passing ratio from the last 2 years has been the highest in the Philippines. It's been around 40%. It has overtaken Bangladesh, which was previously in 2019. It was holding like the highest passing FMG percent, but now it's Philippines, you all know. The topper also this year was from Philippines, from Ama Medical School, and also the second rank holder was also from Philippines. I think from the top 10 there are 7 from Philippines only in FMG. So yeah, in FMG Philippines holds a major chunk of the passing percent, and Russia and Ukraine, if you see, they don't have, like, their passing is very low. Yeah, Nepal holds a better FMG passing ratio but less than Philippines, but the cost is like obviously high over there. It's 50 to 60%. So FMG goes in favor of Philippines. FMG is a major factor, as like language, FMG also is a major factor, because after we are done with MBBS from abroad countries, our main motive is to come to India and clear next exam, which will be applicable from 2023. Okay, so we have to clear that next exam and then we have to practice and be as a consultant in India. So yeah, FMG is a big thing for us, and FMG passing over here in Philippines is around 40 to 42%, which is very good, like in comparison to 15 to 17% in Ukraine or Russia. I think FMG should be a major reason, like you should choose Philippines if you are thinking that you want to come back to India and practice as a doctor in India. So FMG is going to be a big reason. And then coming to the third reason is obviously the duration. Okay, like if you see up to 2022, all those who are being graduated from Philippines, they can directly come to India and go for jobs. They don't need to do internship, they have to just clear FM and they can apply for jobs, get posted as senior officer in any medical, government medical, or they can work in private medicals. So they can directly work, they don't have to do an extra year of internship, which the students, they are coming from Russia and Ukraine, they have to do an extra year of internship. Okay, so this is a big thing, like they are the MBBS course that is of 6 years and another 1 year in India that adds up for 7 years, and in Philippines if you see, the duration of the course, like in Perpetual is 5 years, in other colleges like Devao, UV Gulas, Ama, there it's 5 years 6 months. So obviously you are getting 6 months less, and obviously the FMG passing is very good. And another major reason is obviously going to be like 1 year of internship in India you don't have to do, like if you are getting graduated in 2022, because from 2023, like you can, if you've done also your internship in Philippines, then also the thing is you have to come here, clear NIT and again do the internship. Okay, 1 year of internship, so that will be equalized, but obviously the duration is more. Obviously the duration is more in Ukraine and Russia, but yeah, like, and the thing is, if you are doing 6 months extra or 1 year extra, it should be worth it, and it isn't worth it in Ukraine or Russia, because the FMG passing ratio is very low, and there is like 3 years of non-clinical and 3 years of clinical. And if you see, this isn't like if you want to appear for PLAB. Okay, in PLAB you need to have done 1 year of internship, that is 12 months of internship in and that also 3 months in medicine, 3 months in surgery. So the internship that you would have done in Ukraine or Russia, it won't be valid in if you are going to give PLAB. So you have to come to India and do 1 year of internship, then you can apply for PLAB. But if you are doing your internship in Philippines, then you can directly apply for PLAB and give exam of PLAB after giving IELTS or OET. So this is going to be a big reason in the favor of Philippines. And the fourth thing is going to be like the food, the living isn't going to be a big factor because the Indian community in Philippines is very strong. Like for Perpetual, there are a lot of Indian students over here. We have a strong Indian community, and the food, like there are a lot of mess, Gujarati mess, North Indian mess, Punjabi mess, South Indian mess. Are there a bunch of Indian restaurants over here also because the number of Indians living here are high. There are also families living here, like they do business and all that. So we'll get everything like Indian commodities, Indian variety stores, here samosa, biryani, everything you'll get. So it won't be much of a big deal, like sab kuch mil jaye. And hostels also you won't face any problem in hostels also. A lot of hostels available, and in front and backside also of the universities, near the universities you'll get all the sorts of food and hostel isn't going to be a big problem because the hostels nearby to the universities you'll get 1 BHK, 2 BHK, and also you can avail the homes also, like 1 BHK houses, 2 BHK houses, everything is available. That isn't going to be a big sort of problem. Like you can come to Philippines and yeah, it's very good. Like the visa processing, ACR, yeah, that takes a bit of time, but you can do it very easily. And main thing, the study and internship are going to be very good over here. The internship is obviously going to be a major reason of you coming here because it's obviously, I think, better than Ukraine and Russia because you will be going through 3 years of non-clinical and 3 years of clinical. And here also the colleges have tie up with 5 to 6 government hospitals and private hospitals. So the thing is, you can get posted to 2 months of surgery, 2 months of pedia in different hospitals. So you'll get good exposure. The internship is good, the study is also very good, and yeah, obviously in 4 years, and the study is very good, and the books are mainly very good. Yeah, like in India, in ANET, like if you see for ANET, it is BT Chaurasia which is being referred, but here you'll go through Morris clinically oriented anatomy. Physiology is going to be also good. It's Burney and Levy, Guyton and all, the books are good. It's going to be a complete package, and there are a lot of advantages if you see. Like these are the major advantages that a student thinks, okay, like if you want to get into any country, the major advantages like he sees is language, and then the second has to be FMG, third has to be internship. But there is also another major reason, that is the weather. The weather here is tropical, so the disease pattern that you will get in India, it's same as here also in Philippines. ठीक है, तो डिजीज पैटर्न भी आपको सेम मिलेगा. ट्रॉपिकल कंट्री है, यू वोंट बी फीलिंग देयर इजंट विंटर. ओके, देयर इज ऑल अबाउट ट्रॉपिकल लाइक समर, एंड देयर इज 2 to 3 months ऑफ रेनी सीजन इन बिटवीन. दैट्स इट. एंड द वेदर इज प्लीजेंट. वेदर का भी कोई लफड़ा नहीं है. लाइक यूक्रेन में इट्स वेरी कोल्ड, इट्स गोइंग -10 डिग्री, 15 डिग्री. इन रशिया ऑल्सो इट वोंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. Like yeah, obviously I'm a guy who prefers beaches than snow and all that, so that is why I choose Philippines also. Like yeah, you can choose Philippines if it's a major factor like the weather. And if you have any doubts, do DM me in my Instagram handle, or you can WhatsApp me also. I can clear all your doubts. And also if you have any admission issues, you can still DM me in my Instagram or WhatsApp. And yeah, that's it for the video. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. और सब्सक्राइब कर देना यार, बहुत सारे unsubscribed हैं, मतलब जो सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते बस वीडियो देखते हैं. So yeah, you can subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.